three flip chip options. We have the high, actually flip it for low. We're gonna be running right in the middle, the sweet spot. The rocker link is incredibly stiff. These were designed to flex. Perfect, it's meant to flex right here, but not right here. We want a really stiff rear end, but then want the shock to be able to float and not bind up. Just feeling more centered on the bike, so more like a moto, right? The only thing you lack is leverage, but you gain some in RPM. Buck lows. For the cable, we have cranks, BB, and shock on. Now we're going to the headset. The Vacay has a 44-56, and then you can also run an angle set 1 degree plus or minus. I've always pressed in mount headsets just with the soft-sided mallet. So if you want to use a press, go for it, but it's plenty fine to be careful with a soft-sided mallet.
Got some down bitches I can call.
Yeah, more on the whole thing.
I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball till the day I fall. Yeah, long as my bitches love me. I can give a darn about no hell long as my bitches love me.
The infamous trick stuff, which are 1,200 euros, I believe, and they're sold out, and they're great. They're probably the best brakes ever made. Lewis straight up copied them, and they're less than half the price. You get 10% off, lewisbike.shop. Use discount code Cam Zink 01. Shipping within 48 hours guaranteed. Check them out.
It's like to rotate the banjo a little bit to where you get a better angle. So it goes straight down to the chainstay.
Oh, got it, yeah. If you run RockShox and you don't have the torque caps, you're missing out. 90 down on the axle.
I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball till the day I fall. Yeah, long as my bitches love me.
There we go. Unboxing on, I don't know. At that level with your seat too. Since the cable's gonna go all the way down to our mark right there, and take that and subtract that from it. So then when you want to get your post out, you can pull this out and then pull it all the way through, and then you don't have a big cable hanging here. But that should be the perfect length to where you can have minimal slack, but then still address your dropper post if you need to. Oh, just won $100. Wow. Dropper, done. Pulling all the way through so it doesn't make a gap. To pull up on it so it keeps the lever taut. Make sure that thing's all the way in too. Give it a little gap. That's a good crimp job. Titties. Nice. I always like it to look a little bit better than it feels. You know, like sacrifice a tiny bit on how it feels for it to look better and get better. So I'm not gonna run it like facing down. Oh yeah. The sick part about working with push is they won't make a shock or let you sell it unless they test it themselves. So you have to send them the bike, They figure out the best tune for it, and then they make a shock and settings. Pretty sick. This eased your stress a little bit on building up a bike from scratch or swapping your parts over if you've never done it before. Have everything from a hardtail to a downhill bike. It's the only bike you need for riding trails. Free trail, free ride, all the above. I know you'll love these things. It's my favorite bike that I've ever ridden. Built them up quite a few different ways. Loved being able to be flexible with it.